So hello guys, today we will make a COVID dashboard in this Power BI tool. Okay, so get data, it's a CSV file. I need to load it. This is my data in the data pane, and I will make the dashboard for this one. First I need to create a header file like this. Which will be done in a text box. So what's written here is COVID-19 sample date wise analysis. March to April 2020. So I will go for effects here. Background color I will provide this color. I will turn on the visual border and give it a 20 pixels rounded edges. Okay. Then total deaths. Total confirmed cases. Next I need to provide total active cases. Next is total recovered. Okay, in this way we can format your cards. Next we have to make a area chart of dates active and confirmed by state. Okay, next we have to design total dates by state a funnel chart. We have to add a filter here so that we can show only 5 states, first 5 states. Okay, next we have to show active cases by state. Here also we need to add a filter. Okay, next we have to make a gauge meter, that is total recovered and dates. Okay, next we have to make a date slicer. So here there is a blank. We can also omit the blank by looking into the data view. So why there is a blank? Okay, there is a blank for this space only. Okay, we need to remove that. For that, go for transform data. In that transform data, remove the last row. Remove rows. Remove bottom rows. Number of rows 1. Okay. So last row has been removed. Now look at the report view. There is no blank here, and we need to insert a text box. In that text box, select date and time. So here is your COVID date-wise analysis. Thank you.